Hello everyone. As we all know, fiber optic connectors are widely used in the FTTH field. Today, our technicians will teach you how to make fiber optic connectors for this job. Besides the technical requirements for the operators, the most important thing is to have good tools, such as fiber fill and splicers, fiber cleavers, fiber stripping, pliers, and fiber protection sleeves. We need to choose styles that are of good quality and easy to operate. The entire process takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can complete it. Currently, our company has a wide range of promotions for FTTH products, all shipped directly from the factory, with very fast delivery. The most important thing is quality assurance. With low prices, everyone is welcome to inquire and request samples.